Is it running? Hello. Hello, people. I take it it's running, isn't it?
It's running.
Okay. All right. So, we're working on the crew cab today. We got the batteries charging, so we just had to do a new oil filter housing. Come on, camera guy. Whole new oil filter housing. This guy here with the fuel bowl. Old one was cracked. Oh, actually the old one out already. So we can use this as a good example anyway. So the old one, this is another new one. These two were cracked. You see it? These two were cracked completely off, and so we had to get a new one. Now, I went through like 3 of them to order. This was like the first one I ordered, and apparently somewhere in between the halfway in the 04 year, they changed design. So if you ever need to replace one of these, double check which one you have. So this one, the fuel line coming in here will be different. This style.
Smaller or bigger?
This one's smaller. The one that's the correct fit for this one is bigger. This style, the smaller hole actually takes like your fuel line will be bent up and over, and it takes a banjo bolt here. The other one's just a regular, probably flat face O-ring fitting. This one is actually a banjo bolt on this one. So if you ever need one of these, make sure you're getting the right one. So we had to do that, because I ordered like 3 different ones and finally got the right one. Anything else on that? Just make sure you got the right part number. There's a part number. Like the part numbers are very similar, like 1 number off, but they are different. So yeah, so we got that put in, and we're gonna go ahead and try and start it up here. We're letting the batteries charge. It might not be charged enough, but I want to try and start it. It probably hasn't been started in like 6 months or something. Everything's tore apart, obviously. So we got some shit fucking tied up there. Not even putting the air intake on. I just want to let it run for a bit. So what we're in the process of doing was we were going to paint the frame, but now I've changed plans, and we're going to go ahead and pull the whole motor. So we're not going to paint the front of the frame yet, but we have it all tore apart for that. We got to do new fenders anyways. New fenders, putting a new hood, so we took all that off. It makes it a little easier to work on, and now they're pulling the motor. It worked out anyways. So let me give you a little rundown of what we've done to this so far. So we actually did new X-Code springs up front, and we did a whole new hub assembly, brand new worn lockouts. We're doing all new brakes up front. I haven't put those on yet because we don't need them yet. And I don't want them on when I paint the frame. So kind of rebuilt the whole front. Ball joints are solid, and that's about it. And in the back we did new leaf springs as well. So kind of the next steps are, we're going to put like, I want to get like from the front of the cab back and done. So make sure that's all painted, and then finish up the bed. You show them that. You gotta do new bed rails. Probably do a whole new video on that. New bed rails on this bed. We gotta paint the bottom of the bed. Lots of paint work to do too.
Lots of shit we gotta move first.
Yeah, I know. It's buried in there. I know. Well, that's part of what I was gonna do too, but I mean, it's gonna be 2 weeks before Kyle gets up here, so that'll happen eventually. Anything else, Vaughn?
No.
What about it?
Stick the batteries in there, see if she
put the
fires
batteries
up.
in and get her running. She'll be a little smoky bitch, probably grumpy. So batteries are in. I don't know if it's gonna charge enough. They've run the charges for a couple hours. We're gonna give her a whirl.
Did we take the exhaust off, or where is it?
Exhaust like right under the cab. Like the exhaust like right under the cab.
Nice.
It's only going like the first piece, like right up to the downpipe, like right up to the cap. Probably about like right there. So I gotta check the leaks.
I don't know where it is. Somewhere here.
And also, since that's all been out, I'm gonna cycle the fuse a couple times. Can you hear me? Look at that, built in, dude.
Yep. Fuel bolt looks good.
I think the oil is just fucking pissing out down in there before. We had a pretty bad oil leak. I'm hoping because this thing was cracked, it would make sense, but should be okay. We'll see how much blow by we got. That'll blow all out of there.
Tender.
Let me crank it again. Yeah, cycle. Good to me.
Good old Terpsky. Running her open. I guess. A lot better. That fired up pretty good.
Yeah, it does have like at least 2, maybe 3 bad injectors, so that's why it's runs a little rough.
Nice.
He's a runner, boy.
Do it for the Snapchat. Yeah, no, that's probably brake cleaner there. You ever get under there and look?
Yeah, you can't see much though.
Yeah.
All good.
Yeah. What happened?
Nothing.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, the turbo's a little hungry.
Not that bad. Got her a little bit.
A little chunker. Roll the windows up there, boss man.
Let's see if it restarts.
At least this looks nice.
Pissing oil. You show them that oil? Look.
Oh yeah, here, shine your light down there.
Look at that shite. Look at that shit.
Yep.
Unreal.
See a leaker.
Call them 6 leakers for nothing.
Six. 6 leaker number 1, number 2.
Gonna start crying.
We're gonna start. Wow, what are these for, eh? Eh?
Top secret.
Top secret, eh? Alright.
Post them alone.
About dinner time, isn't it?
Well, it runs. I guess, if you say so.
Yeah.
What do we have for dinner?
You know. It's always on this fucking phone.
Fuck you want? Gotta talk to my ladies.
Hmm.